Happy Monday, everybody. What's going on? Good morning. Kyoto was first. What's going on, Jacob? Hi, Chicken, Monster Buddy, Crypto Bird. Guys, so I was doing some thinking, right, over the weekend. Mm, I think I might kind of step back from streaming in the mornings. What's going on, Alex? Never see you in here, huh? AMC just hit a new high at 40.55. I kind of want to watch SPY this week too, because there's gonna be some debt ceiling debate in Congress this week too. What else do we have this week? I want to track the VIX. I want to catch Tesla on a dip again. I sold my shares on Friday, as well as AMC. Morning, Keith. Let's go to Ortex. Pull up AMC. you can't make me go to Matt Kors or Bagel Bruce. I'm telling you. I'll also be here. At Discord. I'll still be around. I'm still gonna be in Discord trading stocks, but as for streaming, I think that might take a turn. I'm also taking school very, very serious now, especially since I have to apply to new schools in about 3 days. That transfer application window kind of opens in 3 days, and I'm starting to look at some serious. I'm starting to get real serious with school, you know. I appreciate that, Stacks a lot. There's a lot more to learn, Alex. A lot more to learn. Home Depot 340 was another one I have on list. Nike was another one, which is still falling though. This was the one I'm gonna watch. See, we have like this little bounce here off 147, 148. If not, there's probably gonna be more pain, but Nike is still hot on my list. Nike, what else do we have here that I added? Facebook, Affirm. I still have this one on here. Let's see, Airbnb. Moderna is still falling, still paying with this stock. Mm, Not bad. Go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq's red. Let's pull him back. Let's go to Twitter, see what we have there. Morning, Ruben. Let's see. Robinhood. Can this one still have some legs? If Robinhood breaks 46.50, I might take another position on this one. Because I took my profits on Robinhood already. So let's wait. This one's on the list for sure. Robinhood. Hmm. Tesla. I think I did good in selling Tesla on Friday, Kyoto, no? Because I bought here, guys, at 764. Look how much it had already rallied. I thought about buying at 747. I'm like, you know what? This might be a good play today. It just took off. Found support here, and I literally said in Morance's chat that ain't Tesla's gonna close at a new high, and it did. After watching Tesla for months, you kind of understand the momentum. Costco at or above, it's still moving. I think I did good in selling. I think we'll see another opportunity this week, but it still had legs. So I think it wasn't necessarily chasing it here. I think there was still room for profits there. So I'm waiting Kyoto. Let it come down and I'd swoop this up. The VIX is something I want to watch this week. The 10-year yield has also been moving up. That's one thing we used to watch religiously like a couple months ago. Now we just kind of forget about it. But it's hit a new high. I think it's touching like May highs. 1.4, 1.5. Nice Tesla play. Even though I think I still gonna chase it, I'm like, you know what? Screw it. It's Friday. Let's take a trade. What was that? I missed the alert. Caterpillar. 200 for Caterpillar. Hey, Saxon, I was watching your favorite stock, UPST, because this one's been all over Twitter, and they were stating that why are people buying up here, right? Why are people chasing that 346, 350? Like, what do they see? What more momentum do they see? I don't see that either. I'd rather wait for a dip buy on this one for UPST. Marantz is in the chat. Good morning, Marantz. Does Marantz start Mons, do you start work this week? Different schedule this week? Can you look at load? I want to hear what you have to say. LODE? Sounds familiar. This is the one you brought up, yeah. Why is there no alert on this one? Yeah, I think you ran that through me over the weekend. What this stock reminds me of? What does this stock remind me of? There's a stock that I haven't watched this that has a similar play. I don't know if it's Palantir. Is it? Because this one's also ready to rip past 30. This one's also hot on watch above 30. It's a double alert here. Load, not Lord. I don't know if it's gonna close this gap here. I mean, you know what I'm gonna say. The volume's probably my biggest concern. But that's what I said about CRVS, and look at it, it took off to like $7. Is this another high SI play? My voice cracked. High SI play, Marantz? LOL, you've been waiting a dip, you've been wanting a dip buy. I missed the one day it dipped and it hasn't stopped ripping since then. That's one thing when they say the stocks aren't too cheap or stocks aren't too expensive is that they could continue to rip. Airbnb is coming down. Yeah, Airbnb is gonna possibly pull back to like 168. All these stocks that we were buying, we're holding, they're gonna pull back to like healthy support levels. Twitter was another one. This was not pulling back too much. GameStop 187, still up 1.11%. AMC coming down. It's doing the usual bull trap here, bull fake out. One thing this week, or one thing when I started trading penny stocks, right? When I first started in the market, is I never paid attention to spy on the overall market because penny stocks really don't follow the overall market, right? So I would always ignore it. So make sure you watch this week. Nasdaq pulling back. Come on, Tesla pull back. Apple's dumping. Facebook's pulling back. See the Russell. Green. LODE. Let's go to Ortex. Morning, Eric. Morning, Pam. 8.9% on there for LODE, Marantz. So it looks like we're back to finding support right around $40 for AMC. Man, this stock is literally going on 10 months. Let's go. AMC Ortex. Let's see what the SI is showing us. 20.6%. If I'm not mistaken, this is still right around the all-time high for the SI. Let's see. Oh, yeah, guys, and Rob might not be hopping on with the streams anymore. That's if we continue to stream. He just says I think he wants to focus more on his plays too. He just wants to focus on his trading. And I don't blame him, man. Like, he's all in on this stock on GameStop. And he's been talking to me, I don't want to publicly say what he's been talking to me about, but um just out of respect. But maybe he'll talk about it in the Discord. So if you guys aren't on a free Discord, the days I don't stream, the days I won't be on, I'll be in the Discord, guys. I'm still gonna be here when the market opens. I just might not be streaming. And if not, I'll be watching Marantz 100%. You guys know Marantz is the only YouTuber I watch, literally, in regards to stocks. Japan will end coronavirus state of emergency on Thursday. Let's go back. Let's see Twitter. See what's trending on Twitter. Pfizer CEO. Instagram kids, whatever that means. Facebook is pausing work on Instagram kids app after widespread criticism. Media day. Pfizer CEO. Pfizer CEO. PFE. What's going on with Pfizer? The Pfizer CEO says we can get back to normal life in a year, but we'll need booster shots every year. AKA Pfizer is guaranteed a profit of $3 billion extra a year on top of everything else they make. See, I'm fully vaxxed, but I don't know about a booster shot. I feel great. No all-time high on AMC. Short interest is much higher. It was diluted. It was 8% back in January before they diluted. That's true, though. That is true. Man, this stock is boring, AMC. I miss those days when we just climb nonstop. Where's Rob? I don't know. Is that on Discord? But I think he's focusing on his trading more on the markets too. Rob is still alive. He's still here though. LDE isn't a short play. It's 6 companies into 1, 0 debt. They deal with materials after EV batteries die. They got the batteries and sell all the parts right back to the EV companies. It's going long. I'm going long. I guess I have to do some more research on that one too. On a CLNE play. Here comes GameStop. I'm feeling a breakout here on GameStop up at 189. Come on. Let's get it. Let's go see SPY. Still red. Barely even red. Is this heat map updating? I hate how this heat map lags to update. Twitter. Boring. Facebook. Boring. Moderna still coming down. Zoom. Is it taking it to the chin still? 267. Yeah. This is literally Alibaba's pattern, guys. Look at this. Still hitting yearly lows. They could continue to sink and tank. This one, Alibaba's going to be a good play once this finds support. I'm not letting this one off my radar. Zoom still looks to be pulling back as well. Pain today or what, Tesla? Let's see. Up, it's coming down. Is it giving into, is it cratering to Nasdaq? Not really. At or below. No movement yet for AMC. No true movement. We're still green, but I don't know. I still think this was somewhat of a bull trap here. Hopefully we don't retest 40s and come down. Spy red heat map. The heat map, I don't think it's updated, Marantz. It's not moving yet. Yeah, I don't think we have clear cut direction yet of where stocks are going. You get what I'm saying? Like, I still think we're at the same levels in regards to Friday. We're not moving yet. Still flat, still boring. It's not like the other time. That was it, like 2 weeks ago, a week ago when the markets tanked. We don't know, stacks a lot. Maybe Robsta does have a secret CLNE position. Oh man. Let's see. Yeah, we're still green. Did you see the Cohen tweet? Probably not. Let me pull it up. Is it? Oh yeah. I think I saw it. It's the one that says "work hard" or something like that. Yeah, talk is cheap. It takes money to buy. Oh, it takes money to buy whiskey. No, I didn't think I saw this tweet. I saw this tweet and I thought I've used stacks a lot. I don't know why. I think it was because of the Jameson. Well, I don't know. Let's see. I got a lot of replies. This is bullish. How are they gonna use this tweet to confirm MOAS? Whiskey. Is this like a deep F in value type of tweet? Because wasn't deep F in value the one drinking whiskey on stream? Like before GameStop squeezed? There it is. AMC's pulling back. This bull trap, I'm telling you, these bull traps are crazy. GameStop double top rejection at 189. At least this gives me an opportunity to scope out an entry today. Let's see if we do get one. Where would I be interested in? Low 39 level, I think, would be a good dip buy. Yup, don't talk. And he's throwing shots at Adam Aaron. That's what RC said. What about that GameStop AMC collaboration or whatever partnership they were talking about? That was all a nothing burger, right? I don't think GameStop probably, or they respectfully declined. Time for pill fights and 60s music. This was August 27, a month ago. So does he tweet every 27th? No, this was 26. This was yesterday's tweet. Go look at what I tweeted about Adam Aaron. Oh, by the way, speaking of Adam Aaron, I think it's his birthday today or on Wednesday. So that 10B51 filing plan, I don't know how long it's gonna take for that to come through. 10B51 plan. I'm waiting for that because I literally have a tab open with SEC filing on Adam Aaron's trades. Like I'm watching what he does. I'm waiting to see. I'm waiting to see what that plan come through, man. Take a dump on my chest. I see. Hmm. We'll see about that. Let's pull up Moran's Twitter. Let's see. Hey, Adam Aaron, do you feel like Mr. Cohen is talking to you? Talk is cheap. Have a real plan. That's true. Let's see what kind of tweets we get from Mr. Adam Aaron this week. See what kind of more company ideas we have going on. His last tweet was about Dogecoin and Mark Cuban. Mm, mm, mm. Still no update on the heat map. Adam Aaron is gonna dump? Absolutely. And I'm waiting for it too. Let's pull up another on this one, out or below. If we do get the opportunity, I think I'll catch Tesla at the same price I bought last week, 760s. See what else we got here. Moderna still being poo-poo, still coming down. Facebook bouncing. Nike, let's see. Trading sideways is not too bad. That means it's holding support. So let's see how long we trade around the 149 level. I would be interested if this cracks above 150. I mean, it still has this gap to close down here, so that's a little bit scary. Nike, Nike. Airbnb, nice little bounce. This is strong. I, hmm. I don't know if I should take profits or just ride it out. LODE is up 4%. Straight from a spa ad, take a dump on my chest. I was up 4%. It is up 4%. The volume, man. That's the only thing that worries me, the volume. Volume for me is number one. I'll have to put this one on my list, man. Let me write this down really quick before I forget. LODE. There's so many stocks I have on this list. Roblox, Amazon. This is why I have Amazon on my list. Oh, I do have the airlines as well. C3D. Look at Amazon on the weekly. It's been months. Actually, no, I'm tripping. Over a year since 2020 that it's been trading kind of sideways. Apart from this bull fake that we had here, but look at this. It's somewhat forming higher lows. So if you saw this chart on the 1 minute, I'd be like, this is bullish. I'd consider an entry right around 35 because this can go to 4,000. This can rip like nothing. It could keep on going up like UPST did. So watch Amazon. And it's pulling back as we speak. UAL on the daily. Yeah, these airlines, man. I told Rob, Boeing, it's not gonna break past 220. I didn't want to. Man, this one was on my list at 200 and never tapped 200 by a couple bucks for a dip buy, and it's testing that resistance again, 228. Delta was another one. Airlines ripping. Clean Head and Shoulders breakout. Gotta love that. There's another one, Spirit. I think it's Love, right? The ticker's Love, LUV. Or the Southwest, never mind. Same thing. They're all ripping. GameStop pulling back 186. AMC still right under 40. 39.92 red on the day. GameStop is still green on the day. Let's see. How do I? Give me 1 second. Mm. All right, so I got these tweets recommended, right, from these pages that I don't even follow. But it says Boeing. It says I'm following the stock Boeing on Twitter, in which I don't. It was so weird. So I think Twitter is listening to us. It says some guy named Pro Trader watching UAL, which you just brought up, right? Boeing, Tesla, if I can type, Home Depot, which we were still watching, and it's just completely ripping. This one could still have some legs above 350 though. This is gonna be interesting. These plays we're watching are completely ripping before my eyes, and he's watching Hood as well. Another stock we're watching, Hood. Hood can grow legs, man. Above 52. Well, look, the high was 85. So watch this one. Set another alert so I won't freaking miss the stock. Getting puts on AMC. This looks like that one chart, the cycle of greediness or whatever it is, of bubbles, euphoria. Have you guys seen the chart? It's like the peak, right? 72. It's like Bitcoin. Hits 60, whatever, it comes down, finds support at 40. Bitcoin finds support like at 30, 40K, and then it bounces. Bitcoin, AMC bounced to 53. Bitcoin bounced to 50, whatever, 47. And now we're pulling back again. That's right, Pam. Delta is up 3%. Ralph, BBW again. I put BWW. I put Buffalo Wild Wings. Build a Bear. This is the stock. It's up 1% today. This stock scares me. I don't know why. It has earnings coming up. That's the next catalyst. And there's no trading on here. It's like BlackBerry. I have so many stocks on my list that I just, my attention's everywhere. Snapchat has another stock similar to Twitter. I was looking hot last week and it's dumping right now, pulling back. So Twitter should be pulling back hard too. Yep. Let's see. AMC SI still showing 20.68% on Ortex. Good morning, Pepper with Salt. Oh, my voice. What's up with the cracks? Good morning. Good morning, Pepper with Salt. Why is this trending on Twitter, on Reddit? Citadel. Leaked documents show the Citadel CEO lied under oath about a collusion between Robinhood. ... Can I click this? Are you guys familiar with that? Let's see. Is it still here? Yeah, let's go. Let's see. It's under cryptocurrency though. Interesting. It's not even under like GameStop subreddit or AMC. It's under cryptocurrency. Posted 18 hours ago. AMC still at 40 bucks. It's a very quiet morning. Usually I get bombarded. I tell you, you just hear the ding ding every like 20 seconds. Today nothing. Like there's nothing on my alerts. The spy's kind of stabilizing here at 442. Do we get another move up? I think this week's gonna be important. I said that we get another move back up to like 450 level or we come back down. This would be scary if we come back down. Because then we're gonna probably come back to 420 levels. Hmm. What do you think Tesla would do today? Hopefully come down for me to get an opportunity to dip by it again. But from the looks of it, I think the Nasdaq and the SPY are recovering. I think the markets are somewhat bouncing here. But the Tesla was when I was watching for an 800 move, 800 test. After that, I don't know, man. We hit 900 by December. That'd be crazy. But one thing that Rob noticed is look at the volume on Tesla on the daily. It's been somewhat dropping. Hopefully it picks up if we head back to the 900. I'm telling you, this stock was so easy to day trade December, January, and like mid February till it started coming down. Like I'm telling you, every dip you bought on Tesla as soon as it opened, it shot up. I thought I had broken the stock market. I'm like, yo, I understand the key to the stock market. Like Tesla dipped at the open, you bought 50, 100 shares of Tesla. It shot up to like 9, 870, 890, 880. It would just shoot up. It would dip, and then it would immediately rebound and go green. And you made like $3-4 on the bounce. 100 shares, 300-400 like nothing. It was easy money. I was like, what? This can't be possible. And then as it started coming down to the 700 level, that wasn't the case anymore. Volume kind of dried down a bit. It wasn't the same bull you saw at 900. So I kind of missed that. Tesla needs to hit 800 already. Oh, I'm waiting. Those day trading days are going to be crazy. Nvidia's having a bad day for some reason. Let's see. Oh, I forgot these guys split. Nvidia had that 4-to-1 split. There we go. Probably another stock on my list. Nvidia or AMD. Not AMC. AMD can also be pulling back. Let's see. Having another bad day. $100 and... Yeah. Somebody brought this up like a month ago. Somebody in the chat. They're like, do you think AMD is a good buy at 110, 111? And I remember saying there's support at 102. I'd wait. I would wait. And like it's coming right back down to that level. That also might be a good dip buy. Because look, the last time I touched 102, I actually had a nice bounce to 113. But I mean, sorry, this was the first time around in mid-August. Recently, we cracked under the support level. Let's remove this and use the dotted lines better. And the volume, keep an eye on the volume. It's also pulled back a bit. It's right around. What would I say? Around here is fine. Interested in this one, AMD. Let's add this to the list. Marantz, what price did you get in on load, says Ruben? There's a lot of stocks I have on my list. I can't believe it. Ford, Adobe. Thank you for the dono, Marantz. I'm definitely going to give you a nice little interesting dono later as well. Thanks for giving us a channel to watch every morning. I appreciate that. Tesla needs to hit it. I already read that chat. I think they'll be Q3, Patel. They also had their the FSD 10, the beta come out like 2-3 days ago. Mm-mm. 1020. Load at or above. I got another on this one. It's up 10% now, Marantz. Look at this. I'm telling you, I have a curse on Marantz stocks. Every stock Marantz tells me, I'm like, maybe no, and it just starts shooting up. I still think EA. Oh, we got another dono. From Rich, thank you. I appreciate that. You guys don't have to donate. I'm telling you, keep your money. I truly appreciate that. Holy ass Kyoto, you're right. The 1-year chart on AMC looks exactly like a copy of Bitcoin. I'm telling you, Bitcoin and AMC have the same chart. Like they have that. You guys have seen that chart, right? On Stock, Twitch, Reddit, whatever. This is not AMC, by the way, but I'm gonna watch this one. Like that bubble stock cycle chart. It looks exactly the same. Let's put it up. Bubble cycle chart. This one. Psychology of the market cycle. A firm last. Oh, firm's moving. Lovely. Let's see. This one can still have legs. I cannot believe it. Look at this. It's probably going to 150, guys. Gap and go twice. Gap and go here, gap and go. It did not fill any of the gaps yet. And it doesn't have to fill the gaps. 146.90 was the high here, February. This has a chance. Let's go, baby. Saxelot says I didn't like the look of load either. It might be the volume on that or just the downtrend on there. You might get another little pop, like a sympathy pop. But that's the same thing I said about CRVS, man. And CRVS rallied. Affirm continuing its rally up almost 5% today. There might have been a rumor on this about Walmart partnership. Some fake news last Friday, guys. Some not fake news, but old news about Affirm and Walmart. But for sure they had the Amazon partnership initially here, late August. Twitter still falling. AMC still chilling. Right under 40. GameStop is still 186. Oh, no. We got a $20 dono. I have straight A's right now, C3D. I'm telling you. I have straight A's for now. My accounting, I don't even know how I have an A in my class. I appreciate the donate. You guys don't have to donate. I'm telling you, keep your donations. Invest in some stocks. AMC pulling back. Of course, this bull fake out at 40.63. I'm not buying these fake breakouts we have at open. This happened last Friday. We had hit 40, came back to 39. I think this happened like 2 or 3 times on Friday. GameStop 186. That S. Another one. I think you guys heard the story on Datus. Like I didn't even find this stock myself. Some trader I follow he's an amazing solid trader. He bought it at $6 when there was no volume, right? I'm like, this is interesting. Why did he buy this stock? I try to put myself in that situation. Like, why did he buy this stock, right? There's not a lot of volume. Just IPO. Like, why is he buying this? And it ripped. And he sold at 10 or 9. He thought it was early. He sold way early. And look at this. It got legs on Friday after hours, I believe. Was it Friday? No, I think it was Thursday. It hit 12 on Friday. And it's still moving now. DATS. Let's see. Twitter. There's a lot of great info on Twitter, guys, too. Like if you follow these, I also have 2 Twitter accounts. My personal one, which I don't even go on anymore, because I like to separate like friends with finance and investing in stocks. Got a lot of great pages you can follow on Twitter. Free too. CIE up another 20. Is it the same stock? Yes. There's no way. CL, look at the daily on this. Who's buying at 243? I mean, you can squeeze a couple pennies, but where's the pullback? When do we pull back on this? Crazy. Let's go watch CLNE. CLNE might not be a bad play above 9. Telling you, we joke about these stocks like CLNE. And look at this. Interesting. The VIX is moving. It was up somewhat pre-market. VIX and QQQ doing good today. Oh, there it is. There it is. SPY is moving. We're having a nice little push here. Assuming Nasdaq's pushing too. Yeah, Tesla should be pushing the highs. Facebook, we got a nice little bounce there. Crapple, as Rob likes to call it. Yes, you're right. That's that Zach Morris dude on Twitter that was pumping it. I wonder what the float is. I'm pretty sure it's a relatively very short, small float for CIE. Trending tickers on Yahoo Finance, BBIG, Naked, Tesla. Those are your tickers on there that are trending. Zach Morris, a cool trader. I'd be very careful about him, about that guy. I get a bad vibe, like a pumper type of vibe. The float? Are you kidding me? 25 million for CIE. I'm sorry, I think I said it backwards. CEI. Oh yeah, that article from Ken Griffin is literally everywhere. Super Stonk, GameStop. He pumps the ATS and CEI. I wouldn't doubt it. AMC pulling back. The low on Friday was 39.25. Is it just me, or are you guys also noticing the weakness on AMC lately? I feel like we're back to these days where you guys remember the days back here, like July, August, where AMC was just a poop show. Like literally, it would just tank every single day. Like they were just massive sell-offs, and it wasn't strong. And then we kind of stabilized. We had a nice little secondary bounce here to 52, but right now we're not seeing that. We need to find some support mid 30 levels, or else it can get ugly quick. Well, no Monday rip on AMC? Not yet. Um, Bam calling some movement on a Bam investor, the vibration guy. He's like, oh, my vibration model is telling me AMC's going to 50 today. Is that what he's saying? Let's see. Let's go to his Twitter. This guy reminds me of that one saying, like, a broken clock is right 2 times a day. This Bam investor dude. Uh, there were this guy named Uncle Rico Stacks. Sorry, but Uncle Rico Stacks is my go-to when seeking counsel from something in your position. P.S. Does trades know you started to speak? What? Oh my gosh, this page is called Trace Testicles. What? Twitter's a whole different environment. Batman is my brace. This guy. Mm, so I'm pretty sure that August ends when AMC moves back above 70s, $72. This doesn't make sense. All right, this was September 24. AMC above 39.92 can rocket. This guy is cold. September 24. Friday. Above 39.92 and it can rocket. Hmm. I don't blame him. I had the same thought process. That's why I had bought like 2 weeks ago too, or a week and a half ago. Because I thought it was gonna go to 50, for I mean 45, $46. I'm like, you know what? AMC looks good. And look at this. We got faked out. Harvard Business moves first year students online after brow break. Dun, 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 dun. Made $40 on CEI. There we go. Delta Airlines is still trending or still talked about on Twitter. Hit 45. The question is, does this stock still have some legs to keep on going? $50, 49, 47? Hmm. Who's here? Who here has Delta? The stock. Hopefully we do get a little nice entry for AMC later. I'm waiting for low 39s. But CI, the Sagmores, dude, is really freaking pumping the stock, huh? It has 500,000 on Twitter. Oh, 20 seconds ago. He keeps on tweeting. We're early. We're early. It's a smaller Twitter account. Trace Testicles. Yeah, he is pumping these two stocks, DATS and CEI. Hmm. I definitely want to watch his like next play, right? Like the next stock he's pumping. If you can get in early, just know that any stock he's pumping, this dude's already like sized in a lot. I think he was one of the guys who was pumping Wish. This Zach Morris dude. I think he's holding a massive L, a massive bag on Wish too, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my gosh, is this real? He's holding 4 million of CEI? That's insane. I don't know. I have the same app too. It looks legit. I don't think it's paper trading because paper trading would have been yellow down here. This wouldn't have been green. Green is like your actual live account. Paper trading, it would have been yellow down here. Hmm. He was pumping Wish? Yeah. No, but I think he's holding a massive bag on Wish. Like he never took profits. Because I remember I keep seeing screenshots. He's like still holding, still holding, still holding. Um, Sava. Oh, he took it down. I can't find this tweet. He tweets way too much. All right, Sava. Let's take a look at Sava. Sava was having a crazy rally, but one thing I said is that it never really holds its gains, and it is now. This streak in stock, man. Oh. Zoom was the other one that was acting like this, which is still coming down. Baba, what are we doing? Holding support still. I'm watching Baba closely. I'm gonna play the reversal. I just don't know what's gonna happen. I don't want to be buying in too early and then it starts to pull back. It's like that meme when you buy the dip and it keeps on dipping. That can happen with Alibaba too. He now opened his own Reddit page, Zach Street Bets. Really? Tesla dropping? There we go. Bring the stock down. Give me an entry. Delta the stock, not COVID. Exactly. That's why I said, does anybody have Delta? The stock. That has a lot of Delta. Not the variant. He was pumping early on Wish. I remember I was like, hey, it's Saved by the Bell. I can't find his streaking tweets. This guy tweets so much, it's insane. But be careful. Be careful with people like this. Or stocks like this, I should say. Oh wait, there it is. Oh no, this is one of his followers' tweets. Look at this. This guy is down. This guy got a freaking margin call. He's down 5,000 on Wish and he's down 8.3K on BBIG. It's one of his followers. But that was before 38 days difference and now he's green or whatever. This guy claps. All it takes is one trade. That's right. He's right on that. AMC. And then he quotes it CEI. So I don't think he's an AMC fanatic. I sure I told you on Friday that I saw I can hold over 60 the week. Yeah, you did say that. That's right. Too many tweets. Closes. There it is, the AMC little rebound. We have the same movement on Friday too. Look at this. Off the lows, a nice little rebound. Hmm. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient. I'm not gonna chase this here. GameStop still in the green territory. AMC red. GameStop 197.50. Yeah, GameStop woke up here, got some volume pouring in. Let's pull up the Christmas lights on here. The tape. BBIG had a nice pre-market run to $8, 7.16 now, up 13%. This one's been in talks for quite some time. But if you look back at this stock doesn't hold any of its gains. Every little rally it's had, it's pulled back. Spike, pulled back. Spike to 5, didn't hold it, pulled back to 2. I'd be careful with this. I feel like if you're not day trading a lot of these stocks, you're asking for risk. That's just me. Guess I'm just like that. Uh-oh, here we go. GameStop was like a triple, quadruple test at 189 again. 189 test for GameStop. AMC waking up again. 39.90, still under 40 though. I'd be careful. Let's pull up some Christmas lights. That's what I like to call that. But it's known as a tape. Times and sales, the tape. Like if you read a lot of these like books on by Jesse Livermore, Reminiscence of a Stock Operator, they refer to this as a tape, right? The tape where the orders come in. The tape. Robert Broker says he paper-handed GameStop for Sava. I don't believe that. I don't believe that. Supposed to be 260% short interest for what? For BBIG? Let's pull up Vortex. Let's see what they say. Showing 26%. GameStop just broke. Let's see. Doesn't even fit on here. There we go. 189.50 for GameStop. AMC also following GameStop right here, back to 40. See this. Let's take a look at the heat map. See if it updated. I did. Somewhat mixed. If you notice, what do you see here? Tech is literally all red. Tech is still bleeding. Look at the Russell go. There we go. Oh yeah. No, BBAG is showing 26% on Ortex. Ryan. 26.07. GameStop 191. No, I don't want to read that. I don't want to read that on stream. A tier. GameStop new high. Look at this rip here. This is very odd. There's a news out on GameStop or what? Interesting rip here. Did we see the same thing on AMC? Does AMC follow GameStop? Are they trading together this week? A-tier short squeeze signals on what? Ortex? Yeah, A-tier, you guys brought this up like a million times last week. See, when a stock is like in a position like this, right? It had hit $3, it shoots up to whatever, $19, it pulls back, it's at 13. Like, I don't understand how I would play this. Like, I try to either look for support levels, resistance levels, but I don't know how to read this chart. I really don't. I guess you could say some support right around 10, maybe? Resistance definitely at 20. It's GME rough, it just does what it does. Yeah, I don't know where that volume just poured in here out of nowhere. That's interesting. GME gonna GME, absolutely. IRNT still has a high CTB, which is cost to borrow. Just got upgraded to buy. Price target is $29 for IRNT. Another one that was brought up multiple times in the last couple weeks. Your price target is 29? high cost. I think this one's the one that had like the 500% or something ridiculous for the cost to borrow. Let's see. SI. Oh wow. 951%. There might be a glitch on here because they're all the cost to borrow minimum, average, and max are all the same. 951%. But the short interest is 8%. If I'm not mistaken, the SI was like something ridiculous in IRNT. Let's see. 8%. Show me the history on this. It's not showing me. Um, does anybody remember what the SI was for IRNT? I thought we were like a 50, 60%. I think it was 60% for IRNT. It's not only at 8. So you might have seen the short squeeze already on that. The Russell's ripping. Maybe that's why we're seeing a nice little bounce here on GameStop and AMC. Kyle says, if this is the final episode, Ralph, I've really enjoyed watching your streams on GameStop. I don't know, man. I've just been thinking about that all weekend. The highest SI what it got was like 20%. I'm getting them confused, right? A tier is the one that's 60%. Home Depot is out of below. Support level is probably going to be right around 340, which was that resistance we had here. The high was 345. So close. Are you kidding me? Couple dollars away. Or this might be a good, or this, what is this, like a pullback? Healthy pullback, and then it starts to rebound back up. Let's set some alerts on this sucker. I know a couple of you guys have this like long-term play, Home Depot, a retirement play. You can just drop us on a Monday. We need a grand finale, or you can. I'm assuming you meant you can't. Just drop us on a Monday. We need a grand finale before we call it quits. It's not even just like quits. Like I still want to stream, but I want to focus more on trading as well. And Rob, that I think Rob has the same thinking as well. Like he wants to just zone in and focus. Thanks for the stream, Alpha. I'll be back here when you're ready to come. Oh, we'll be here when you're ready to come back. Mm. I guess I still have to do some thinking. Like I do and I don't. I'm torn apart. I don't know what to do. AMC pulling back. Is it gonna bless me with a dip opportunity today? It better not. It better not be midday either. I hate trading midday. Midday is when it dies out. No, that's not the case. Robert did not sell his GameStop for Dogecoin. Oh, Robert Brown is here. He timed you out, Phoenix. Oh my gosh, Rob's like swinging the banhammer right now. He's still here. Oh, he said, oh my gosh, he sent me messages on Discord, guys. I'm sorry, I did not see that. At 7 a.m., 7:08, you could buy CLNE above $9, but won't buy Boeing above 200. Uh, I don't know if I should read this on stream, Rob. He did. I'll hit back. I'll hit you back right now, Rob. Let me see. Oh, how hard is it for you to buy Tesla when it dips while streaming? That requires for me it does, bro. Like that's just the way I was, cause that's the way I traded back in December, January before the whole AMC GameStop crap. I was just on my like I would have the Twitter and just the stocks, and that was when I had two monitors. But before I used to have just one monitor, and I would just focus. And every day, man, it was just I'm telling you, I went a whole month without losing every day. Every day was like profit. Every day, green day, whole month. And I was like, I'm doing this right. Like I'm doing something right. And I'm that type of guy that I would be like, what did I do the night before? I'll try to mimic every single thing, like the time I'd wake up, would I have breakfast, would I drink water, would I drink coffee, you know? I try to notice what I was doing, my actions, because I'm like, I'm obviously doing something right. Bulker says, I do miss back when you were 100% technical on all stocks. It's a great way to start the day. What do you mean 100% technical? Like right now, like what I'm doing right now? I would assume. He's here. He's here. He's watching us. Let's see. Spy's about to go green. Are you kidding me? Oh man. Stupid Tesla, you playing with me right now? Now I'll just have to use my alarm clock to wake up. This channel has gotten me to wake up every day since February. That makes me sad, fam. Mm, since February. That's insane. Peloton. Why are we talking about Peloton on Twitter? Hmm. This one was another dip buy opportunity here. Kathy Wood buys another 6.5 million in Robinhood, 6.3 million in Peloton. Go back to the hood. Still flat, boring on the day. I'll still wait for confirmation for another rip or for another test of the resistance before I actually pull it again. I got a good GME guide to listen to all day. Go back to technical. So I heard it's true, Boker. I'm not sure what price you bought in at, but hopefully it rallies for you. If you're experiencing negativity from any person, write a list of all the things you appreciate about them and everything will change. Huh. The 10 years pulling back, I suppose. Let's see. Let's pull this one up. The VIX pulling back too. Yep. See how our Facebook's doing. Recovering 350. What was the high on Friday? 354 after hours. The 10-year is at 1.47. Spies that are above. There we go. I think it just went green. 444 on SPY, which was like the highs on Friday too. Resistance levels, not counting after hours of pre-market, 446. Double M, AT Ortex. Let's see. 16.4%. I don't know if I'm gonna get a Tesla dip today. I hope I don't have to chase it later. But AMC and Tesla are still hot on my list for a play today. I'd see if AMC does retest the lows here today. I'd get in on a dip. If not, do I want to buy it at 41? Anticipate yet another move above 40, 43? Maybe. This one and Tesla, baby. Oh, Tesla's about to hit a new high. This freaking stock, man. Yeah, Tesla just ripped. I guess it does want 800. So that's pretty much it for the stream, guys. Those are the plays that I'm watching. One last heat map check. Will we be back tomorrow? Or whenever it's Adam Aaron's birthday? Uh-oh. The meme stock, CLNE. The one we always joke about. It's up 9%. Sheesh. I'll be in the Discord, guys. I'll keep you guys updated there. Let's see if this works. If not, I'll share it. I'll share the link right now. Regardless, streaming or not, we're going to be in the Discord. I'll definitely be watching Morant's later. I think he said he's going live in 30 minutes at 8. And I'm going to do some homework right now. Do some homework. Tesla 780. Yep. 780.68. Oh, man. I'll see you guys. Have an amazing rest